Alright everybody, so we're continuing our use of the distributive property. So our first question, -5 times x plus 9 equals -5. Alright, let's get to it. So I copied the equation down already. First step, we'll distribute. So let's make this box. Okay, one side is going to have -5 times x, and the other is going to have -5 times 9. Alright, now let's squiggle this down. So I have -5 here. And alright, let's distribute. That means multiply. So -5 times x is -5x. And -5 times 9 is -45. So -5x minus 45 equals -5. Well, now we're in familiar territory. We're going to do inverse operations. So plus 45 plus 45. These cancel. We are left with -5x. Oops. -5x equals 40. Okay. And our last inverse operation, we're going to divide by 5 by -5 on both sides. So divide by -5. What are we left with? -5x divided by -5 is just x equals, what's 40 divided by -5? That is -8. Alright, moving along, we have -4 times x plus 1 plus 8 equals 16. Alright, so notice this one has the constant outside, so we're gonna have to combine like terms eventually. But first, again, we start the same way. We make our box. What's gonna go in the box? We're distributing this -4, right? So -4 times x and -4 times 1. What's that give us? -4x minus 4 plus 8 equals 16. And we follow our instructions right there. We're going to combine like terms. So what are the like terms? -4 and +8. So we have -4x. What's -4 plus 8? It is 4. -4x plus 4 equals 16. Okay, so -4x plus 4 equals 16. Okay, same game, inverse operations. So we will subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, 16 minus 4 is 12. These guys cancel, so we have -4x equals 12. And another inverse operation. Why are we dividing by -4? Because that's because it's being multiplied by x, right? So those cancel. We have x equals 12 divided by -4. It's -3. X equals -3. Oh, let me even write that one nice for you. X equals -8. Okay, the last one. is actually quite similar to the previous one. We still have to combine like terms, but now we're going to combine a variable. So same game, we're always going to distribute first, and what are we putting in this first box? -3 times 2n and -3 times 3 plus, so what is that? What is that? -3 times 2n is -6n. -3 times -3. That was a negative. -3 times -3 is +9 plus 8n equals 25. Alright. We're going to combine our like terms, which are -6n and +8n. What's -6 plus +8? You are right, it's 2n. So we have 2n plus 9 equals 25. And again, two-step equation. So we should all be pros at this now. We're adding 9. So we're going to subtract 9, 25 minus 9 is 16. And we bring down the equals, these cancel, so 2n equals 16. And what do we do now? 2n, how are we going to get rid of this 2? What are we going to do, guys? Are we going to multiply? No, we're going to divide. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Okay, 2n divided by 2 is n equals 16 divided by 2 is 8. You are left with n equals 8. And give yourself a pat on the back because you just finished the homework. Isn't that great?